Number 4. 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Nothing ruins a highway merge quite like waiting for your engine to build power while traffic bears down on you from behind. The 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 is producing 270 horsepower at 5,250 RPM and 295 pound-feet of torque at just 2,150 RPM, therefore solving that power delivery problem by delivering 35 pound-feet more torque than the bigger V6 right where you need it most. While most engines force you to downshift and rev to climb steep grades, this turbo delivers 295 pound-feet of pulling force at just over 2,000 RPM. That's the real-world muscle you feel when your Wrangler effortlessly climbs mountain passes. The Garrett twin-scroll turbocharger generates approximately 22 to 23 pounds per square inch of boost pressure, while high-pressure direct injection at 2,900 pounds per square inch ensures consistent power delivery even during extended low-speed rock crawling sessions. The 4-door Sahara is achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds, delivering the kind of mid-range punch that makes highway passing confident and stress-free. Despite its smaller displacement, the turbo matches the V6's 5,000-pound maximum towing capacity thanks to that substantial low-end torque advantage. Anyone who's calculated fuel costs for a daily driven Wrangler knows the pain of watching gas money disappear. EPA ratings show 20 city, 23 highway, and 21 combined miles per gallon in 2-door Wranglers, while it's 19 city, 22 highway, and 20 combined for 4-door variants. Real-world testing achieved 26 miles per gallon during 75 mile per hour highway testing, therefore reducing those frustrating fuel stops on long road trips. The larger 21.5 gallon fuel tank provides 430 to 450 miles of highway range. Getting into turbocharged Wrangler ownership begins with the Willys trim at approximately $44,000, though it becomes standard on the Sahara trim starting around $48,000. This represents a $1,000 to $2,000 premium over equivalent V6 configurations. The turbocharged 4-cylinder targets buyers who prioritize daily drivability and fuel efficiency. This powertrain excels for highway commuters who cover 15,000 plus miles annually and need strong mid-range torque with improved fuel economy. But efficient turbocharged power means nothing if you're the type of driver who craves that spine-tingling sensation of pure, unfiltered V8 acceleration, which brings us to the most extreme powertrain option. Number 3. 6.4-liter Hemi V8. There's nothing quite like the disappointment of pressing the accelerator and waiting for your heavy SUV to reluctantly build speed. An even bigger disappointment is the lack of a proper exhaust note. That frustration disappears completely with naturally aspirated V8 power. The 6.4-liter Hemi V8 is delivering an enhanced 485 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 480 pound-feet of torque at 4,300 RPM for 2026, representing increases of 15 horsepower and 10 pound-feet through recalibrated ECU tuning. What transforms the driving experience isn't just peak power, it's how that power arrives. The Hemi generates 75% of peak torque just above idle speed, which means instant throttle response that fundamentally changes how the Wrangler behaves in every situation. The functional hood scoop feeds dense air directly into the intake, ensuring consistent power delivery even under extreme conditions. The 8-speed automatic transmission features aluminum paddle shifters, the first such installation in Wrangler history, giving you manual control during spirited driving or precise rock crawling maneuvers. The Rubicon 392 is achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 4.2 seconds and quarter-mile times of 13 seconds at 102 miles per hour trap speeds. The 2026 model year adds launch control for improved consistency, therefore ensuring repeatable acceleration runs that embarrass dedicated sports cars. Anyone considering this engine needs to understand the fuel reality. EPA ratings show approximately 14 city, 18 highway, and 15 combined miles per gallon, but real-world testing consistently shows 12 to 13 miles per gallon combined in mixed driving. This means fuel expenses potentially double compared to the base V6. Premium unleaded fuel is required for optimal performance, which means you're paying top dollar both for the gas and for each gallon you burn. Exclusive availability limits the Hemi V8 to the Rubicon 392 trim at approximately $92,000, representing a $45,000 plus premium over base Rubicon models. Fully loaded configurations can exceed $105,000. The Hemi V8 targets serious performance enthusiasts who prioritize maximum power over fuel efficiency concerns. This powertrain excels for buyers seeking sports car acceleration combined with legitimate off-road capability, a combination unavailable from any other manufacturer. So the VE8 delivers incredible performance, but what if you need dependable power without the complexity or fuel costs that come with forced induction or 8-cylinder drama? Number 2, 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. The fear of unexpected repair bills haunts every vehicle owner, especially those who depend on their truck for work or adventure access. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 delivers 285 horsepower at 6,400 RPM and 260 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM through proven naturally aspirated technology with over 10 million units produced since 2011, therefore offering the peace of mind that comes with bulletproof reliability. The engine utilizes sequential multi-port injection rather than direct injection, therefore avoiding the carbon buildup issues that plague modern direct injection engines. No turbos to fail, no hybrid systems to service, no premium fuel requirements, just straightforward, reliable power delivery. The V6 provides a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds when properly equipped, handling most recreational towing needs without strain. Performance shows 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration, ranging from 6.1 seconds in the lighter two-door manual to 6.9 seconds for four-door automatic variants, which is more than adequate for most driving scenarios. Gas station anxiety affects every truck owner who watches the pump numbers climb toward triple digits. EPA ratings show 17 city, 23 highway, and 19 combined miles per gallon with the manual transmission, and 18 city, 23 highway, and up to 20 combined miles per gallon with the 8-speed automatic. Real-world testing achieved 22 miles per gallon during highway testing, therefore delivering genuine efficiency that keeps operating costs manageable. Also, it's good to know that this engine requires only regular unleaded fuel. Getting into Wrangler ownership at the lowest possible cost begins with the Sport trim at $33,785, where the V6 serves as standard equipment alongside a no-cost 6-speed manual transmission. The engine remains available across virtually the entire lineup, including Sport S at $36,990 for 4-door, Willys at $36,990 for 4-door, and the Rubicon at $49,270 for the 4-door model. So it's pretty clear that the V6 serves traditional Wrangler enthusiasts who prioritize simplicity, affordability, and proven reliability. This powertrain excels for buyers planning light recreational towing and weekend trail adventures, where adequate performance matters more than acceleration, bragging rights. Traditional gasoline power is impressive, yet it can't match the game-changing combination of electric torque and environmental consciousness that makes our #1 choice truly revolutionary. Number 1. 4xe plug-in hybrid system. The frustration of choosing between environmental responsibility and off-road capability has plagued conscious adventurers for years, until now. The enhanced 2026 Jeep Wrangler 4xe features a dramatically upgraded plug-in hybrid system producing 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of combined torque, therefore eliminating the compromise between green driving and serious trail capability. The electric motors provide instant torque delivery from 0 RPM, which means perfect low-speed control during technical rock crawling, where precise wheel placement matters more than peak horsepower. The system combines a 270 horsepower, 295 pound-feet, 2.0-liter turbocharged i4 engine with substantially more powerful electric motors now generating 215 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, an 81 horsepower and 151 pound-feet increase over the previous system. Every off-road enthusiast has faced that moment when engine noise spooks wildlife or disturbs the peace of a remote camping spot. Electric-only top speed capability reaches 74 miles per hour without gas engine engagement, therefore allowing silent operation during early morning wildlife viewing or late-night campground arrivals. The daily commute pain of watching gas money disappear becomes a thing of the past with hybrid efficiency. The system is achieving 49 miles per gallon equivalent combined in hybrid mode, while delivering 20 miles per gallon when operating in gas-only mode. Electric-only range increases to 31 miles EPA rated, which is a 48% improvement that covers most daily commutes without burning a drop of gasoline. But there's a capability trade-off that affects serious haulers. Maximum towing capacity is reduced to 3,500 pounds compared to 5,000 pounds for gas-only models, due to additional battery weight of approximately 600 to 700 pounds. Entry-level 4xe pricing begins with the Sport S 4xe at $52,690, representing approximately a $10,000 premium over equivalent gasoline models. So we may conclude that the 4xe system would perfectly serve buyers with daily commutes under 30 miles, who have consistent access to Level 2 charging infrastructure. This powertrain excels for environmentally conscious enthusiasts who want traditional Wrangler capability with significantly reduced fuel consumption and instant electric torque that provides superior low-speed off-road control. The 2026 Wrangler's 4 powertrain choices prove that one size definitely doesn't fit all when it comes to off-road capability. The 2.0 turbo delivers modern efficiency with real-world torque. The Hemi V8 provides uncompromising performance at a premium price. The proven V6 offers bulletproof simplicity simplicity for budget-conscious buyers, and the 4xe Hybrid combines instant electric torque with environmental responsibility. But here's what matters most. Your driving patterns, budget, and priorities will determine which engine transforms your Wrangler from a simple purchase into the perfect adventure companion. But even with such an impressive powertrain lineup on offer, it's not like the key rival, the Ford Bronco, is without trump cars. If you think its less diverse powertrain lineup is a limiting factor, make sure to check out our video that explains what makes the 2026 Bronco so special. Not only does it offer impressive off-road performance, but it also offers a bit better on-road manners than its key competitor.